After a beautiful afternoon and a lovely asana practice, post my asana practice, after a few minutes gap, I had my beautiful lunch and they had lady's finger for lunch. So I had 1.5 jawar roti. Jawar roti is just amazing over here. The chef is going to teach me how to make it so nice and soft tomorrow. But now I'm heading to the cooking class here. Amazing. Every Monday they conduct a cooking class over here. There. Hello. Hi, chef. What are you going to teach us today?
Today is making broccoli soup, vegetable curry and beetroot halwa. So for the broccoli soup, we are adding onion, garlic and broccoli and let it boil for a while.
So you added broccoli,
Broccoli,
onion,
garlic.
3 things.
Yes.
And you're adding hot water to it.
You can add cold water also.
Okay.
Just in case we want it a little quicker, we make.
Ah, okay. And the vegetables are not fully submerged in it.
It
They
will
just
submerge.
it will submerge.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we don't want to throw the water out of it.
Oh,
Because usually whenever you boil vegetable with water, even that has the nutrition value in the water. Also. We don't want to throw the water. We want to use
Correct.
the same water.
correct.
For that we are using this much water.
Okay. Okay.
How long will it boil? About 5 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes.
Until the water starts bubbling and boiling.
After that also about 5 minutes.
Oh,
You know, all the soups that you serve here are very light. You don't really have large pieces of the vegetables in the soup. Is that a certain style of
Actually
soup
they
or-
want, when you have a soup it's actually required very less energy to digest it. So we don't want to put vegetable and make it little more complicated.
Right.
Because even like for dinner we make a soup out of all the vegetables.
Yes.
If you have the raw vegetable also inside it, it's little hard to digest. But when it is boiled and in a water content, it's very easy for digestion and you get almost all the nutrition value of it.
And then do you blend it?
We do blend it. Yes.
if I don't eat onion and garlic,
You can take it.
then what is the other option? Just broccoli?
Yes.
Only broccoli?
Can you add ginger?
If you like, that will be little spicier on the side. If you like spicy, you can, because usually when you add ginger to the vegetable, that gives little spicy. Because ginger is a spicy thing. Usually that gives a very good spice. If you like spice, you can add it.
That's cooking. Can I ask a different question?
Yes, ma'am.
So I've been here about 2.5 weeks now. Obviously, I've been eating here every day. You always have rice. And sometimes you have things like yams or other starchy things, but I've never had potatoes.
Actually, you can have potato. Ayurveda never say completely not to have potato. You can have little potato, but usually when you make something out of potato, you cannot stop it for one. So you see French fries, you see smileys, whatever you make it out of French.
Right.
So whenever you cannot stop it for one, you go for more and more. That's the thing, we never serve potato here. Because as we don't do a la carte here, we have a buffet system.
Yeah.
And once the guests we serve potato here, they go for first serving and again they come for second serving. And we don't want to be rude and say, madam, no more. So rather than that, we just don't serve.
Yams are safe.
Yams actually it doesn't have that. And yam is not so fresh for everyone
Yeah, okay.
compared to potato.
But you should make good large quantity potatoes sometime, no? For several helpings.
It's a business we are making people to come back.
Yeah.
That's really
Yeah.
So Here,
No.
sweet potato we
This-
make it.
You make?
Yes.
And there's something else that
I last 5 days I haven't had.
the
Okay.
potato family, but not potato.
So here we are making khichdi. For
Okay.
that we are using ghee.
Clarified butter.
Takalapa.
Stay here a little bit longer than it is.
Some corn pepper. Some cumin. Pinch of turmeric powder. Curry leaves. We are using sweet potato, carrot and beans. As we want, you can add potato in it. I like that.
What other vegetables can be added to this?
You can add whatever you like.
Whatever.
Yes, yes. You can add capsicum. You can add sweet potato.
Can we add broccoli?
You can add broccoli.
We can, right? Anything.
You added sweet potato here, right?
Yeah.
We added sweet pumpkin.
Oh, sweet pumpkin.
So we're using 1 glass of moong dal and 1 glass of rice. Whenever we're making khichdi, it's the same
same.
quantity. Yes.
So when I make khichdi, I soak the rice and dal.
You don't
And-
fry it with the ghee. This gives little aroma to it.
Ah,
You want to soak
Without
it.
rinsing, without washing. Oh, this is washed,
This is washed,
but not soaked.
not
not
soak.
soaked.
So I soak it and I pour the water and the rice dal into the mixture. So is that okay?
Is that fair enough?
Okay, but
As I
this
said, this will be having little more aroma and little crunchiness as we fry that with the ghee.
oh
That will be little soft. That's it.
yes, that I love soft.
Yeah.
Okay,
You love
Okay.
soft, that's the proper way to do it.
okay, got it. Oh, yes.
Does khichdi come from any particular part of
Khichdi actually they say it's a North Indian dish. As Pongal is a South Indian combination, same way they make it. Pongal will be South Indian, but in the Pongal we use little more rice, not in the equal quantity, not 50-50. In Pongal we use 30% of lentils and 70% of rice,
Okay.
and that has a different seasoning. That won't be having too much vegetable. That will be having only like ginger and very mild seasoning.
So more
What
starch.
we make, we use two rice and one portion of, no, I'm sorry, 2 portion of dal and 1 portion of rice.
Oh, that much.
Salt for the taste. ये रख लो।
And do you
Yes,
deliberately,
ma'am.
minimize the amount of chilies you use here?
We actually don't want people, as the people come here for treatment,
Yeah.
we don't want them to have too much pepper and salt. That's what in our all cooking,
Right.
it's little less compared to the normal food.
So only black peppers, right?
Yes.
Black pepper.
Yes. Please take a look.
So no red peppers are used in any cooking here?
We use them. We use some of our rasam have a red pepper recipes.
You mean red chili? Red chili.
Yes. Put the chili. Put a
So you poured in a 1 jug full of hot water,
Yes. No.
normal water. Any measurement for it?
It's actually double. Whenever you're taking rice,
Ah.
the water will be 2.
So
2 glasses.
2 cups of rice
As we taken one
combination.
rice, one,
Huh.
it's 2 glasses.
So it's
glasses.
4 glasses of. It can be more also, correct? Or no? No.
If you're making in a different vessel and throwing out the water, you can take
Ah.
more. But
Not in the
yes.
cooker. Okay. But isn't cooker not healthy for cooking?
You're exactly right.
It's not healthy, right?
Yes.
Slow
Usually
cooking
the-
is yeah in a
As in
bartan.
the cooking class, we, for the demo. we
Ah,
use
okay,
this.
okay.
But our down kitchen, whatever.
Oh, you make it.
It's
Acha.
because now almost 80% people are using cooker back home.
Hmm.
If we show our traditional way, it's little hard for them also. To make. And here also it's take longer time
Yeah,
because to make proper khichdi it take about 45 minutes.
correct.
And
Here
the
it will
cooking
make
class
in
only
20
45
minutes. I know.
So we want people to go for
Yeah.
more classes.
Yeah.
That's what we use here.
In cooker it is cooked in 20 minutes, right?
Not even 20 minutes.
Oh.
Once 2 or 3 whistles done, it's done.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Because now almost everywhere they have.
Yeah, that's the sad part.
Because when we teach them normal way, they say, "Can we do it in cooker?" We also show them
Show
in
the cooker only.
So it's very easy for
Ha.
them also.
Ha. Normal way is the same thing and just let it boil, right?
Yes.
Slow boil.
Yes, slow boiling, and you keep on checking for the water. That's it. As broccoli is a very soft vegetable, this much is good, and we're not throwing water because we want that water to add to our soup.
You call the soups on the buffet rasam?
Soup and rasam. Soup is what we're showing here.
Yeah.
Rasam will be typically South Indian partner. Rasam has some spices which homely made. We have a rasam powder, and usually that have combination of moong dal water. We boil the moong dal and we take out the water out of it,
Alright.
and from that we can make a rasam.
So it's different flavouring.
It's different flavoring.
Is it also lighter?
It's actually very good for digestion.
Ah.
As it has ginger, cumins, and it has asafoetida in it. It's very good for digestion. Some people actually who are not like the digestion have some problem, they can go for rasam.
So it's made out of moong dal water.
Moong dal water.
All rasams.
All rasam.
Ah, I didn't know.
No dal, only water.
Only water. What do you do with the dal?
We use for sambar.
Ah.
Morning we have sambar.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
That's required.
Oh. Okay, nice.
So the broccoli is getting done. So that's the boiled water of the broccoli, and you put the thing there, and we'll just strain it out.
Why do we strain it out? What's there?
It's
That's nothing, no?
I mean, sometimes you get
Acha.
broccoli,
Ah, okay.
and when you serve, people don't want to get something as madam wanted to know.
Huh.
That's what. I mean, when you're making for yourself, if you want, as
Little.
you blend it completely, you can add. No need to strain it out. But as we serve for so many guests, some they like it, some they don't like something to eat with their soup. So it's a better way to just strain it. And all our soup, we don't use any corn flour or anything. So that's what it's little lighter also.
Best. Okay, so boil it again
Yes. Yes.
once.
Yes.
While
So that the combination of filtered and the water will combine together.
Ah, okay. She was asking. She was asking something.
while it's boiling, can Madam ask you another question?
Please.
I know we're not doing it today, but tell me about the rotis you serve here. You do millet, you do
We do
rice
millet,
flour.
we do java, we do rice roti.
Now what is java?
Java is
Also a millet.
it's a millet but little bigger compared to the finger millet.
When you wheat rotis?
Actually, wheat as it is, it has little gluten in it. For some people, that doesn't support when they're doing treatment. That's what usually our doctors say, just to avoid wheat. With salt treatment.
So jawar, bajra
Bajra is a millet.
is a millet. Jawar is also a millet. Ragi is also a millet. Easy to digest.
Old grains.
They're not grains, they're millets.
Little So we're adding salt.
What's that?
So actually wanted to try.
Taste it. हाँ.
अगर उसको कुछ नहीं होता तो आपको देंगे.
He's like, wow, देखकर. He's turning around and tasting it.
Nothing happened to him. When it takes 3-4 minutes, then we'll
Tasting also, he's turning his back to us. You know?
वो शर्मा रहा है. Same with all that.
If his eyes roll, we shouldn't be seeing it. You know?
You know, the kidneys used to have to replace.
The front row gets to sniff it also. Smell it.
There is only a front row here.
I would say these are the VIP seats. I'm in the balcony.
The box.
The box. Oh yeah, better. Even better.
So I have a question about, you were talking about pressure cooking and open stove.
Yes.
Is there any nutritional value?
Even
change?
nutrition value will be little more when you cook it naturally. Because actually to boil the dal, it naturally requires 25-30 minutes, but we're making it in 5 minutes. So if you cook something in open, like if you make a dal or something in open and keep it, that's still definitely fresher one day than this. 100%.
Because I remember when our grandmothers used to
But
eat dal,
we-
they used to take out the top portion and
Yes.
throw it, that's whatever
Yes,
comes out.
yes.
But we don't do anymore.
Yes, but I mean we do back home, but in the houses now they have a practice. As usually husband wife both are working, they don't have time for cooking. So that's what the induction. Earlier they used to cook in wood.
Yeah.
Then we came to gas. Now we are into induction. Future we will be in a processed food which is already just ready.
Just add
Put it in,
water.
put it in a oven, heat it for 30 minutes, 30 seconds, it's done.
That's not future, that's now.
That's
Yeah,
it.
it's pretty much.
We get it now.
Which is why we have so many diseases as well.
Because actually it has the preservatives which can keep the food safer for 6 months, and our food cannot stay for 1 day. And when it
Yeah.
stays for 6 months,
Yeah.
imagine what all the chemicals.
Exactly. It's good for astronauts and scientists.
Actually, they have a different concept
Don't
of
have.
for astronauts. They have a tablets actually,
Ah.
which they carry. If they eat one for them, it's good
Okay.
meal for them.
Okay.
But that is not for astronauts. That's correct.
But that's all very damaging for our body, for our cellular structure. Not good for us.
The other thing that I found interesting
Come from that
is
side.
how many different types of dal there are. So
So many. Actually, over the last 100 plus years, our cultivation has gone down because of the consumption. We have very limited number of dals that the farmers grow for us because we don't ask for that kind of variety. Same with the rice, same with fruits and vegetables. We don't ask for it. Yeah, certain 20, 30 vegetables. That's it. You name 20, 30. Beyond that, you will not know. But then Mother Earth is growing such huge varieties. Thank you.
Just try it and let us know how good, how fresh it is. So we are taking fresh grated beetroots. This is for our dessert, beetroot halwa.
Ooh la la.
Same recipe you can make carrot also. Yes, gajar halwa.
I get to eat it, no?
So
Today?
you can see this.
I can taste.
You can see this. It's a recipe, na? Back home you make it and send us.
Acha,
some with some- हाँ. इससे रखिए. कहाँ कर रखा था आपके?
I've been looking at lunchtime at your desserts. I don't see anything like gulab jamun.
What is that?
What is that?
कौन दे रहा है?
It's healthy stuff. Like, you know, beetroot halwa.
No, you had gulab jamun, jalebi. For that only we guys are here.
Remove it from our system.
You make carrot halwa, beetroot halwa. Stay healthier.
Don't you want us to remember this place?
No, we want we
Well, quite.
in weekly how many days you see gulab jamun? Once, not even once. Beetroot you will see. So we want you to remember every week.
Yeah, good one.
We remember both.
Usually everybody
don't
have
make-
beetroot in the house. So whenever you see beetroot, and usually this is a very good recipe when kids are there below 10 years and they don't like beetroot. So you cannot force them to have it. So this is the
Ah,
best way to
nice,
make it.
Even
nice.
grown people don't like beetroot.
I do also.
See?
Because our carrots are not as bright red as here. So I always add one beetroot to
Super.
my carrot halwa and it comes out really
Yes,
just,
yes.
just
Superb. You're the best.
Soup कैसा है?
It's too hot. I
That we
couldn't.
know.
I mean, I couldn't.
Hot from hot.
I couldn't sip it.
It's good.
Oh, really nice.
Good.
Very nice.
Very simple. All actually, all Ayurvedic recipes are almost similar to home food what we make. No cream, no MSG here, no color for the food. We want to keep it simple and healthy. Yes. Because actually the main part is we don't use out the water which we boil. We are using same water to make a soup and fresh broccoli. So it's like you're eating broccoli in a liquid form. Very simple.
I have another question. The pulp you got, you filtered out, can you use that as a fibers, broccoli fibers?
You can
Can
actually
you use
add.
in atta? Can you make
You
atta?
can make a chapati also.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you can use
You
it.
can make dough
Yes,
also.
yes. Now, as I said, if you completely nicely blend also, as I was explaining, you can directly put it. No need to throw it out. As we serve for our guests, some they like if they get something more, and some they don't like. So keep it on a safer side, we strain it. But as you said, same thing you can add that with the atta and make chapati.
They're good
Yes,
fibers.
yes, exactly. You can use that.
And the beetroot, do we only have to cut it julienne or any?
Julienne is actually as it's a grated one, not the chopped one.
Acha,
We
it's
have
grated
a grated,
beetroot.
yes.
Okay.
It's not chopped, it's grated. We have a small grater in that we can grate like this. If you grate like this, it's easier to cook.
Okay.
And even carrot halwa, you need to grate it like this. हाँ, इसको grate करने ही करना है. इसको chop करके you cannot make a halwa.
Okay.
Only difference when you're making carrot halwa, beetroot halwa. When we're making beetroot halwa, as it has a natural color, we are using water to boil it. But in the same way, when we make carrot halwa, we use milk. So when you're boiling it, put it with the milk and boil it, then you use it. Because we are not using any milk made, nothing to give that creamy flavor. So boil that with the milk.
This can be made without milk.
This actually is very good to
As
the
it
same
is.
way you
Super.
like the broccoli soup. Natural
Super.
like
Super.
also.
Is there any other option than milk for carrot halwa?
So you want to keep it very bland, water will be good. And if you don't want milk in it, some people they add milk made in it later.
Without the milk products. What
vegan.
then? हाँ vegan.
तो simple पानी में उबालो.
पानी में.
हाँ.
It doesn't taste as good.
Yes, that's
I've
it.
tried it.
Yes.
उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
हाँ,
गाजर का हलवा without milk doesn't taste nice at all.
Taste-wise, it's little lesser.
Yeah.
As it's with the milk one that gives
Yeah.
moisture to it.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Because milk is
Other
only.
types of milk, can't you? Soya milk.
Can we? Soya, no, not that I like soya milk, but I don't mind coconut milk or
Coconut, actually, coconut
groundnut milk,
No.
almond milk. हाँ.
Coconut milk is really good for the cooking and some coffees.
Okay.
Actually, we never did an experiment with the dessert.
Ah,
So, it is there something.
You could.
We make coffees out of it. We make
Huh.
cook also.
Hmm.
So many dishes we use. to
Yes,
cook. But
yes.
we never had a practice to put that in a
Dessert.
dessert.
Can you try
We can try it. What is there?
tonight?
Not
Gajar.
so soon.
comes out really well in cooking.
Yeah.
Seed really comes out.
Sure. Yes. Yes.
Chia seeds?
Chia seeds.
हाँ. इसको?
Chia seeds, cum milk. Cum milk.
Cook in anything.
Yeah, it really comes out.
Yes.
I'm leaving day after tomorrow.
So you want me to tell before that? Right?
So you give how many CTs for
That
that?
doesn't matter because anyway 5-6 CTs. Then after that we are cooking that also with some ghee.
Ah.
We put ghee and some dry fruits, and
Ah.
to make it thicker we add soji for it.
Suji.
Yes,
Ah.
soji.
Ah.
Then we
Oh. Oh. So it's not pure beetroot. It's got suji also in it.
you want thicker,
Huh.
you can add soji.
Ah.
If you don't like soji, no problem.
You can add almond flour to it.
Almond flour?
You can.
You can
He's
add,
saying no.
but not here.
He's like, I'm not going to make such expensive desserts for you.
No, so
We are on a budget, you know.
to make it fancy, you can add anything to it.
You're not fancy. Some people don't take that gluten. So
Yeah. Because rava is again gluten, no? That's why I'm asking other option. Correct.
No, no. Okay, then what? Soji also, but as he's saying, it won't be thicker.
हाँ.
You can make
But it will be like that carrot halwa, not tasty.
टेस्ट रहेगा.
Taste रहेगा.
इसमें कुछ आगे पीछे नहीं होगा. Only the thicker will be little liquidy rather than. If you
Okay.
want it, we'll make it without soji also. However you like.
बनाओ जैसे आप बनाते
नहीं, आप बनाते हैं वैसे बनाइए.
ठीक है. करोगे.
We don't want us to
can
suffer.
always modify ourselves.
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
So we keep the khichdi in for how long?
ये प्रेशर अपने आप बताएगा ना. ये आप पे ना.
अच्छा.
Once it is gone, it's no pressure.
Okay. How do you mean gone? What is
ये
gone?
नीचे जाएगा.
ये नीचे जाएगा. हाँ. Okay. My cooker is different. It doesn't have that.
लेके जाओ ना. उसको बुला के जाओ. क्यों नहीं हो मेरे कुकर में? चलो.
हाँ, आपका स्पा में से भी मेरे को बहुत कुछ लेके जाने का मन कर रहा है. This पीतल का such a nice decorative, you know, the earbud and the cotton, the plate in the spa.
Oh, I see. You have not.
Oh, you haven't yet. Ah. I'm like, can I buy? Where can I buy this? It'd be so nice.
So you make your own rasam powder and everything.
We make our own rasam powder, own sambar powder.
And sambar powder.
Oh, how do you?
Just how to do that.
Next Monday.
That's confidential.
Oh, really? Really?
Yes, yes. Whenever you want to have that, you have to come here.
You have to come because we are already here.
That's what we're feeding you. That's what we're feeding you. We don't want you to. We definitely feed you rasam, sambar.
You said rasam is made out of moong dal ka water.
Huh.
What is rasam powder made out of moong dal water only? What is
Yes, 17, 18 items.
17, 18 items, which you will not teach.
Which I forgot.
That's-
Short memory, ना. ऐसे बोल जाता हूँ.
This is how the chefs keep their secret by forgetting
Changing all.
their recipes. By forgetting their recipes.
17 की जगह 16 डालो एक बोलो.
And then I come to IVAC to taste.
प्रियंका, मैडम जो अभी है, शुभ कर दो.
Madam, here is to taste.
Not required. No, with class also we'll give a sample. Just literally you try. Sir already know how to make it. Once we try here, we definitely call us.
Send him back.
Send it back.
What the things we guys given.
So chef, what day of the week did you say you make parathas?
Sir?
What day of the week you make parathas?
What paratha?
I'm complaining about the things you don't make.
We make paratha every day for breakfast. But doctor said no wait for you. It's the wrong place where you're complaining.
I need to complain to the doctor.
Yes. Your prescription doesn't.
Who do you give parathas to?
ब्रेकफास्ट में बनता है जो बच्चे लोग आते हैं ना
अब बच्चे लोगों के लिए है.
when the comfort treatment
हाँ.
as I said उसमें
Okay,
cookies
okay.
रहता है ना तो डॉक्टर ही स्टॉप कर देते हैं.
Correct.
लेकिन हमारा बुफे में पराठा है.
For you, for the staff.
No, when the kids come with
For
the
the kids.
parents, na,
Ah.
and even like 2 of them are coming, 1 are in treatment, 1 are just
Ah.
for him. We serve paratha.
Oh.
No,
Oh.
not with millet or anything like that. Normal parathas.
Normal paratha.
Oh.
I'm going to talk to my doctor.
Now you know where to speak. ये देखो मैंने चला गया.
Oh. Oh, nice.
I said no.
So this is done.
हाँ. It's not like I said.
हाँ,
it was
हाँ,
normal.
हाँ. Just
Actually, it's a
nice,
safe,
nice
safer
system.
thing.
Nice system. Ooh,
How it looks.
nice. Lovely. Nice and liquidy it is.
Yes.
Very nice.
And
Boil it even more.
बॉईल
No.
भी करने का जरूरत नहीं है. अगर लिक्विड आपको ज्यादा लग रहा है ओपन छोड़ दो 10 मिनट के लिए. इट्स अगेन
It goes,
Yes.
evaporates.
क्या कर रहे हो उसके साथ? बच्चे का जान ले रहे हो.
How is it, chef?
बेकार.
Good? Some more salt. So roughly how many CTs did we give here?
Good 5 minutes.
5.
Yeah, every day in India saying no spicy, but every day it is
Watch out for that.
My doctor Jasim was telling me that the black pepper is very good for digestion.
No, it is, but not everybody can eat more.
I know I hadn't been so far, but over here I started. Is it good for digestion? Oh, let me.
Just going to keep it here to cool that.
Cheers. Cheers, chef.
Good.
Not tried yet.
ट्राई करके बताओ.
Yes.
गरम है. Very hot.
Nice. Very nice. Very light and healthy.
So we're adding juice for the dessert. Suji.
Suji.
You can actually for this you can add sugar and jaggery together.
But we'll be using only jaggery, right?
Sugar भी रखा है.
Sugar भी रखा. सिर्फ jaggery में करो ना.
ठीक है. बड़ी बल्दल अंत बल्दल पाका बेकर दिस. इन्हों ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ Yes. You want almonds, chopped almonds, pista. आपका टेस्ट का कोई भी. वो देखो मैंने सर है. as it is little watery, and we had a semolina वो उसको खींच लेगा.
Ah.
With Ayurvedic cooking, do you use less tomatoes?
We use less tomato.
Why is that? I miss tomatoes a lot. Good question. Thank you.
Why?
Actually, they don't use much tomato because I think those days family use करते रहेंगे. In our cooking also we use less tomatoes.
So then how you make a gravy like today there is a tofu gravy, right?
Yes.
So what was
That was like as I said, 1 or 2 tomatoes for complete gravy. That's
Oh.
a fresh coconut and tomato base.
Any particular reason why tomato is not used as much?
No idea.
No idea.
इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करते क्योंकि some they say the seeds are not good of tomato.
Seeds are not good.
Yes, it's not digestive.
what is this?
Jaggery syrup.
Oh, jaggery syrup.
As we are not using sugar, we are adding jaggery.
So you just heated the jaggery and
Yeah,
made
you-
syrup out of it.
When you take 1 kilo jaggery, add 1 cup water like this.
अच्छा.
हाँ, उसको बॉईल करके स्ट्रेन करके रखना.
Okay.
हमारा रेफ्रिजरेटर में हमेशा रहेगा.
Oh.
And easily you can keep it for 15 days. कुछ नहीं होगा.
Okay.
And for your coffee tea, you can add it.
Okay.
Is the taste very similar to sugar? Or?
It's actually sugarcane. Jaggery is a natural sugar without any chemical. If you take a sugarcane water, boil it for a longer time, it becomes jaggery.
Jaggery is used only in syrup form?
You can use raw jaggery. As actually we serve jaggery syrup for the coffee and tea in the breakfast time, we keep it in a liquid form. You want to keep it raw, you can keep it. Nobody is missing doctor here.
The soft.
You know who can make friends with, I know.
पिछले अच्छा बना. खूप छान आहे.
खूप चांगली. कसं येतं मराठी तुम्हाला?
हो, तसंच येते.
How come? You are in Maharashtra?
Yes, I am a Maharashtrian.
You are a Maharashtrian? Huh?
काय झालं?
दिसत नाही, वाटत नाही.
हो, काय फोटो घालते मराठी आणि मराठी आहे.
Your accent is also not Marathi.
Actually, as we speak a different accent of
Konkani.
Marathi here. नहीं,
In
यहाँ
here.
पे, South India यहाँ पे as you say कसं आहे काय
हाँ.
it's a completely different thing.
How do you say?
बरा है.
बरं आहे.
हाँ.
छान आहे.
हाँ, we say चांगलं आहे.
चांगलं आहे.
हाँ. Here they say चांगलं आहे.
चांगलं आहे.
तुम्ही कसं आहे? There you say छान आहे.
Oh. Can you introduce yourself to us?
Sunil Kumar, I'm a F&B manager over here.
Okay.
I spent my 20 years in this property. I did my hotel management.
Wow. 20 years here. Superb.
In 2003 I'm here.
Oh, fantastic. And you did your hotel management from?
Chennai.
Okay. Nice. Fantastic. Thank you, Chef Sunil.
Sakalwa?
Sunil Kumar
Sunil Kumar.
and
Nimbalkar.
निंबाळकर. हां वय म्हटलं सरनेम सांगा सरनेम निंबाळकर. महाराष्ट्र. ही इज अ महाराष्ट्रियन बट फ्रॉम हिअर, करेक्ट?
Yes.
So he has a different dialect,
Different accent.
accent also.
Usually we say that is not Marathi. You say this is not Marathi.
हम महाराष्ट्र वाले मराठी है, सो वी आर मोर ऑथेंटिक, है कि नहीं? किधर गया वो मराठी? तू पण मराठी आहे ना? हां. शी जो पुण्याचे आहे.
पुण्याचं आहे.
हां.
तुमच्या मराठी डिफरंट आहे. आमचं मराठी डिफरंट.
पुण्याचं मराठी अजून वेगळं असतं. आमचं बंबईया मराठी, बंबईया मराठी आम्हाला.
डिफरंट आहे.
येस.
अजून कर्नाटका मराठी.
हां हां, ये नकली She means to say you're नकली मराठी.
होगा 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 होगा. Why to fight?
नकली fake.
आप कौन सा जगह दे रहे हो मुंबई में?
Say as long as halwa sweet also.
अभी मैडम को थोड़ा स्वीट कम देंगे.
उसमें नकली स्वीट डालो, विदाउट स्वीट वाला देना उनको.
उसमें
No sweet.
क्या हुआ? नो वही है.
ये नकली वाला है बीटरूट हलवा. So no dinner today, no?
मैडम सेफर साइड आते हैं.
बदले का हलवा.
ये सुन भी रहा है. ऊपर ये सुन भी रहा है. बाद में डिनर ही नहीं करेगा.
By the way, it's her husband's birthday today. Can we celebrate her husband's birthday today? In like, you know, her husband's birthday today. 66th birthday.
का है ना.
हाँ.
सर कहाँ है? सर कहाँ है?
Yeah, yeah. Request him, please. Please tell him. Oh.
Might be my birthday.
Fake birthday. Fake birthday is coming out. Thank you.
मैडम को सर कौन?
Really nice. Not heavy at all. Yeah, not too sweet and light. It's not heavy at all.
Make you eat like this. Now you know the way how to like the beef.
Yep.
It's good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Very good.
Especially in a spot like this.
Yes, actually, the food is always very good when you directly make it and have it for that.
Yeah.
And you know what would make it even better?
I know.
A scoop of vanilla ice.
I knew something is coming. Brownie on ice cream.
Just like how jalebi is paired with rabdi.
Like jalebi with rabdi, gulab jamun with vanilla ice cream,
Yes.
brownie with chocolate ice cream and the sauce. I know what is coming. Acha, the food which we make here is always lighter.
I felt that in all your meals. Very light on the belly. Awesome. बहुत अच्छा.
Very good, very good.
Thank you, chef. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Hi, everyone. So this is Chef Mahesh. So he's going to show us how to make ragi ka roti. तो उसका डो बनाया है अभी. इसको गोल करना. हाँ. तो उसको ऐसा प्लास्टिक में. ओके. हाँ. वाओ.
कितना पतला चाहिए उतना बच सकता है.
ओके.
इसको ऐसे उतर के फिर आराम से लेना बस.
ओके. सुपर.
जरा अर्ध ना थोड़ा सा बना
अभी जवार रोटी
वो आगे के सेम है दोनों के सेम है
ओके
इसमें डिफरेंट होता है वाइट ब्लैक
हाँ
सबको लेना
ही इज मेकिंग जवार रोटी
जवार रोटी थोड़ा सा तेल डालना
सेम प्रेस
सेम सेम दोनों भी एक ही सेम है
ओके क्योंकि मैं घर पे बनाती हूँ हमारे मेरे एकदम मोटे बनते हैं हम इससे बनाते हैं बेलन
हाँ बेलन में
हाँ।
बन सकते हैं हाँ, बेलन में
बेलन में पतला नहीं होता है
तो ये ठीक है
ये बेस्ट
पहले
है
तीन है
हाँ।
डबल है अब कितना पतला चाहिए उतना बन सकते हैं
हम्म।
सेम है सर ये दोनों हो गया सेम है
ये खिलाइए मुझे
ये वाला नहीं है?
ये बाजरा जवार रोटी ये दीजिए मुझे आपने बनाया हुआ
सेम है।
अमेजिंग उसको बबल्स भी आया
थोड़ा तेल डालने सकते हो डालना तेल
हाँ नहीं जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं
अच्छा पका होता है इसमें हम लोग तेल नहीं डालते
हाँ।
सीधे डालते ना इसीलिए नहीं डालते
हाँ
ये तो हो गया सेम
सुपर
ये गार्निश को हम करके देंगे बस
हाँ वाओ क्रिस्पी एंड सो नाइस वाओ
इसमें डालने से स्वाद
सुपर सुपर
सेम दोनों भी
हाँ सुपर ओके थैंक यू दिस वाज इजी थैंक यू महेश शेफ थैंक यू बाय बाय that was fun huh easy
Easy.
now that's chef Sunil
इजी में क्या सीखा?
रोटी
बनाने का?
बनाने का
You also made one?
Thank you so much.